I'm going to talk to people who are just starting out, right? What are you supposed to be focusing on when you just start out your business? Are you supposed to focus on making money now? Making money right now, or are you focusing on making money long term? Which one is more important right at this moment within the business? Maybe that's the question. Which one is more important? I was just thinking about this. Um, Making money right now or making money long term? Which one? Which one? It depends on how you're thinking about it. But I think if your situation is where your back is against the wall, you gotta make that money right now. You gotta make that money right now. You gotta make the money right now. Legally, ethically, morally. Legally, ethically, morally, you gotta make that money right now. You gotta pay your bills right now. Right? Right now, you gotta pay your bills. What if the money that you gotta make right now, it's a project that's not related to your business, but you're capable of doing it? Would you do that to make the money right now so you can feed your family? I think you have to be thinking about both of them. But which one is more important? I believe that making the money right now is more important. You got to feed your family, right? You have to pay your bills, right? You quit your job. Say, for instance, you're not doing this as no side hustle anymore. You're doing it as your main source of income. Which one is more important? Making the money right now, I believe. That's the most important thing. In the meantime, when you're making the money right now, you are thinking about long-term growth. So how you going to structure the business to get long-term growth? I believe the most important thing is to make the money right now. Tell me what y'all think. If you guys believe that you're supposed to be thinking about the long-term growth before making the money right now, let me know and explain to me why. Because I believe that you're supposed to be focusing on making the money right now. If the concept is proven and I sell this product once, I can't think about $1 million mark that I want to be in the business. I got to make the money right now. And when I'm making the money right now, I'm structuring my system where I can have recurring revenue, recurring income, recurring clients, so it can support the future. Here's what I'm saying. The most important thing is to make the money right now. The money right now. The future money, hey, that's the future money. When it comes, it comes. As a new business owner, don't get caught up on the flashy, long yeah, you're gonna have an end goal, or not even an end goal, a projected goal where you want to be. Well, it could be you could want to sell the business. I don't know. It may be an end goal. But I believe making the money right now. If I don't have this, I can't do that. No, you're going to make the money right. Figure out how to make the money. What else can I do if there is nothing else for me to do in this lane? I got 4 services that I'm providing in my business. Okay, well, guess what? Can I do something else to make the money right now? Right? I believe making the money right now is more important. Like and subscribe. Share this video to somebody who is starting their business brand new. Making the money right now versus long-term revenue. Which one is more important? Let me know. Drop it in the comment. Tell me what you think. But I believe you should focus on making the money right now. You're starting off, make the money right now and put a system in place that can give you recurring revenue, recurring income for years to come. Sell it once and let them pay for it forever. That's a recurring service. So you gotta have both. But right now, just starting out the business, just jumping out the door, jumping out the gate, you gotta focus on making the money right now. Right now is where it counts. Right now, every day, right now, make that money. See you in the next one.